We are here at the North Plaza of the Mont-Blanc Tunnel, which connects Italy and France, one of the 3 international links between the 2 countries, and on average 5,000 vehicles pass through it in one direction or the other every day. The GIE is responsible for the operation of the Mont-Blanc Tunnel to ensure functionality, safety, maintenance, and emergency response in case of events. It was established after the infamous fire of '99, and we are carrying out this commitment with consistency and technological development.
The ACR system is mainly used for preventive manutention, corrective manutention. We manage all contracts in SR-ADT, and obviously we have cataloged all the materials inside the tunnel and on the various parts. Additionally, we have cataloged all the work cycles to be able to create our manutention plan. The most important thing about the CARL software has been mobility. Mobility has helped us a lot to speed up corrective maintenance interventions, and especially also having the orders directly on the tablet for the technician made recording their operations much easier and more immediate.
Every day when I come to work, I use CARL. It's right away. I log in at 8 and have an overview of the status of all the systems, both electrical, that in any case it's a bit simpler than understand what happened over the weekend night and organize the teams for the corrective actions. Or also the view of the estimate, what was generated automatically and what needs to be planned or improved in the planning. The handling is preventive and the essence of scheduling. We are subjected to various controls and we must perform it. We managed, thanks also to CARL and the team, to achieve a high percentage of preventive maintenance. This really is the heart of CARL.
So since June 2020, that is since we introduced this CMMS platform, we can say that the management of handling on the platform has reached a point 2.0, meaning a technological evolution that allows us to have better planning of interventions and better tracking of interventions. So the present and also the future go through these platforms.